Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the QE dollar is definitely making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs on the 1 hour time frame. So, if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely recommend to continue to look for shorts. If this really is a correction to the daily time frame move up, you would expect the minimum it would go to is to the 38%. Now, the only problem with this analysis is it's based on a very short time frame. If we go up to the higher time frames, I mean, we have to realize that we are definitely still in an uptrend on the daily and there's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing up really at any point. So we need to be cautious about shorts on the shorter time frames. Now, if it really is a correction to the whole move up, then you would expect, like I said, a minimum of a 38% pullback. But potentially it's not a correction to the whole move up. Potentially it's just a correction to the last series of higher highs, higher lows. Potentially it makes another higher low, and potentially it just keeps on trending up. So I personally, like I said, I would be recommending shorts for anybody looking for trades below the 1 hour time frame. I'd be recommending longs for anybody that's more of a swing trader, waiting for a nice Fibonacci bounce, waiting for a nice break of structure. If you do see that, definitely go back to longs. If it continues to make, lower high, lower high, lower high, then continue to look for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.